In this video, I am going to show you how to get orders on Senpex Courier. Open the Senpex website and click on Become a Courier. After that, you can choose any option, driver, mover, or helper. Then, enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, password, and country. You can choose United States or Canada. Enter your actual address and click on Apply Now. Once approved, download the Senpex Courier app. This is where all your orders will appear. Open the app and click on My Orders tab. This is where new delivery requests pop up. You will also see your past deliveries and earnings here. Keep your notifications on. Orders come randomly and disappear in seconds, so you need to act fast. In many areas, there may be only 1 or 2 orders per day. When you see an order, tap Accept right away. If you wait too long, someone else will grab it. Success on Senpex depends on being online and ready all the time. And that's it. Pretty simple. Just sign up and be quick on the app.